Mühlhoff Umformtechnik GmbH from Udem am Niederrhein in Germany manufactures bodywork and assembly parts, as well as components for the engine and driveline. State-of-the-art forming and joining technologies and more than 416 employees ensure absolute precision. And they maintain the highest quality standards. Since its founding in 1832, Mühlhoff has repeatedly adapted to changes in the market and demonstrated its innovative spirit. The company has now opted for the connected manufacturing software from the Hoffmann Group to digitalise its tool management.
In this area here, we manufacture individual components and small-scale series for our tool-making shop next door. With 700 tools, we mill 250 individual components on average for each tool mold and change the tool in the machine 2,500 times. That equates to around 50,000 tool changes each year. That's why digitalizing our tool management system brings us a real competitive advantage. We chose connected manufacturing from the Hoffmann Group because this software offers an interface to our TBIS CAM system and deals with tool and machining process management the best.
With connected manufacturing, Mühlhoff now has a central tool database in which all 700 tools are recorded. Each tool has an RFID chip that makes it uniquely identifiable. Via an interface to TBIS, the CAM programmer can access the tool information and use it for his programming. He then sends the order to production, where his colleague sees exactly where he can find the tool and what he has to do. At the pre-setting device, he scans the RFID chip and then measures the tool. The updated data is stored in connected manufacturing and sent to the machine.
For us, everything is now digital. No paperwork, no Excel lists. Instead, shorter non-productive times and a constant overview of production in real time. Overall, we're about 30% faster today than we were before. We no longer need such big folders as we can see here. We get twice the benefit when it comes to repair orders for tool molds, as we're now also managing them using connected manufacturing. When a repair order comes in, we simply restart the corresponding program and everything takes its course. However, in the course of introducing connected manufacturing, we also optimized our processes. This was very time-consuming and challenged our process optimizer for several months.
Alexander Schmitz is a qualified machinist and tool mechanic. He has also worked for years as a CAM programmer and measurement technician and knows the processes inside out.
The
pure implementation of the software was actually done in 2 weeks, but after that we had to spend time on all the other things, so it wasn't unusual for me to spend half a day implementing something else. But over time it has become a lot less, and the software actually runs on its own. At the beginning we looked at various software and then realized that with CM we had the advantage that what happens ahead of the machine and at the side of it also transferred into the digital world. In other words, all the tools, which is not based on planning alone, but also involves technology, which is where the money is made and what's important in machining. When CM was introduced, it was of course the task of our IT to integrate the system into the company network and firewall. We did that pretty quickly in the 2 weeks and had very little contact with our IT afterwards, because the Hoffmann Group supported us when we had to adapt or change things. We have connected all 4 milling machines to CM, which means we no longer have any manual input at the machine, which has greatly improved the error rate. We connected our Tool 24 at the same time to have an integrated tool management solution. The employees were very open to CM because new technologies make work more enjoyable. At Mühlhoff, we feel very well equipped for the future with connected manufacturing.
The employees are also very happy with the new software. After all, tablets are now finally being used in the production department and modern technologies make work more enjoyable. At Mühlhoff, they feel well equipped for the future with connected manufacturing.
Of course, connected manufacturing is still very new, but it is hugely beneficial for us because it was developed by real industry experts and is constantly being optimized.
In addition, there is the Hoffmann Group's exceptional focus on service. We have always felt very well looked after. The service was always competent and very personal.
we have never regretted our decision and can gladly recommend connected manufacturing.
You too can try connected manufacturing. It's worth it. You are billed monthly and can cancel your subscription at any time.